Hi, we're going to show you Alan in a field maintenance app, Calatena, for SAP customers. Hey Alan, I need help with a scaffolding ticket.
Say, create a scaffolding ticket, and you will be guided through the required steps.
Create a scaffolding ticket.
Creating a scaffolding ticket. What are the dimensions?
10 by 4 by 3 meters, Class C.
Dimensions 10 by 4 by 3 and Class C added. Would you like to add any additional details? You can add an image, specify hazards or narrow spaces, or request additional ladders.
Add a picture.
Select an image from your device to add. Image added. Would you like to add additional details, or submit the ticket?
Submit.
Review your scaffolding ticket details. Would you like to submit?
Yes.
Your scaffolding ticket has been submitted.
As you saw, users open the Calatena Field Maintenance app, and with Alan, use natural voice to complete daily tasks, delivering on the productivity promise of the app. It's hands-free, improves safety, and users can access expert knowledge just by asking how to do something. Alan unlocks the power of Calatena Field Maintenance app with voice and AI.